Alright guys, we are working on the DRZ today. Actually, I picked up the Black Widow exhaust imported from the UK. Here's what the Black Crow looks like. Still has the stock exhaust on it. So I'm going to install this bad boy and see what it sounds like. It's all black, so this is what the motorcycle sounds like stock. A cold start, so let's see what is inside this box. I'm curious to see what this exhaust looks like, so let's open this up. Alright guys, we are opening this up. As you can see, it is from the UK right there, and it is coming for me right here. So UK delivered a Scout. All right, here we go. Let's see what's inside this box. Don't got too much room on this table, but let's see what we can work with. All right, Black Widow. Nice. Okay, put that aside. Paperwork, installation instructions. All right, and then this guy right here. Let's see. Throw this to the side. Alright, so we have the instructions, the pipe, link pipe. Let's see what this looks like. Pull it out. Nice. Very nice. Okay, let's put that to the side. And let's see what's inside this box. Alrighty. Pull this out. And this is what's in here. So, comes with the clamp, and then it comes like this. And some styrofoam. Let's get a razor blade. And let's see. Wow, that's pretty cool. Comes in a little package. Put that to the side. And this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. And there it is. Look at that thing. Very nice. Now this is not going to be an installation video. It's basically just showing you the Black Widow pipe that I ordered. If you want to learn how to install it, I'm sure there's other YouTube videos out there, but it's pretty simple. You just mount a couple of bolts, but look at that right there. Very nice. Look at the tip. Carbon fiber. Very nice. So I am going to mount this, and let's see what it sounds like. Let's do a before and after. So let's see, it already comes with the baffle. I'm just going to leave it in. I don't want it too loud. So again, it came from the UK. Actually, it was pretty quick too. I ordered it on, I believe, a Thursday, and it got here on a Monday. So it was extremely fast. And let's see what it says here. For the Drz400S and SM. So let's do a before and after and see what it sounds like. What a nice looking exhaust. Look at that. Wow. I'm very satisfied with this. But let's see how it sounds. Looks good. Alright, so let's do a before and after. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my stock exhaust. It's all messed up. Basically, it's not the full exhaust system. So we're just gonna put the slip-on on, and then we're just gonna leave this. So this is, again, it's not warmed up, as you can see. Put my hand on the engine, perfectly cold. Let's do a quick start and see the sound. So this is what the stock exhaust sounds like. Let me rev it up. Alright guys, I just installed this Black Widow exhaust. I was going through the packages, and it comes with this, basically this neck hanging keychain, which is kind of cool. So it's great. It comes with its own little carrying case, which you'll never use again, but it's actually cool. It has their logo on it. So this is what I took off right here. The stock exhaust, as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. It's all scraped up right here. I will keep this just in case I sell the motorcycle. I will take this exhaust off. But we installed this Black Widow, and it is a game changer. Look at this thing right here. Look at that. Look how slick that is. That is a game changer, man. So I did start it up to hear it, and it's amazing. So let me show you what it sounds like. It's hard to hear on camera, but that thing is, this thing sounds like the big gun. It is freaking loud and mean. Again, this is a game changer compared to that stock exhaust. That thing is clean. Basically, it's just the slip-on attaches to the header. I have to get new bolts for the cover, the heat shield cover, and we should be good to go. This motorcycle is pretty much almost done. A couple more things to lock it in, but the Black Widow exhaust, imported from the UK. I got it off of eBay, and I am very satisfied. Again, this Black Widow is a game changer. Just look at that thing. Just listen to it. Listen to this. It sounds amazing. Alright, fogged up my lens. Appreciate you watching. DRZ Black Widow, the game changer.